Hello guys, today I'm going to share to you how I make over $30 profit just from shorting Dogecoin using a crypto bot. Okay, so I'm playing Binance Future, and as usual, some of you might already know I use AntBot to short this Dogecoin. A few days ago, which is around October, end of October, Elon Musk bought Twitter. He really owns Twitter now, and you can see Dogecoin just shoot up through the sky. Literally went up by 150%. So this is a great opportunity to short, right? This is very overbought already, you can see here. And later I'm gonna share to you what indicators that I use. Okay, if you use the link down below later to sign up to support these channels, guys. So I'm shorting Dogecoin here. So if you want to know what bot that I'm using to short crypto inside Binance Future, you can go to my playlist and then you can click on crypto futures. Okay, this is the playlist. I'll put a link down below. So the problem with manual trading, guys, okay, manual trading, you have to look at the chart. Where if you use bot, you can just leave it be and you can set the parameters however you like, when you're gonna quit it, when you're gonna stop, when you're gonna set a cut loss, etc. So right here, okay, I was running a Dogecoin here. If I show you my history, you can see I started in October 31st. So let me zoom in a little bit. So October 31st, which is around here, I was shorting it because I know it's going to go down soon. Okay, so I was shorting it and it actually went up a little bit. There is a big resistance right there. This is also a big resistance. So this is going to go down, and I just opened a short position. As you can see, I opened the bot here at $0.12, right? If you see the chart, 0.12, you can see right there. And as it goes up, guys, the bot will do the covering. Okay, I already talked about averaging. So if it goes up, you can see it goes up to 0.12 something, it do the covering, and then it then went down, right? If I go to 1 hour, you can see it goes up and down. Let me clear everything. You can see the date and the time. All right, so 1740. Again, this is really depends on your country time zone. So basically it went up and then it went down, so I take profit. So let's say this is my entry price right here, and then it went up here, it will do averaging. So my entry price is no longer here, it will become here. So when it goes down to this level, I take the profit. As you can see right there, I make $1 profit, and then it goes on and on. The bot just open and close, open and close. I didn't even know it. So I went to sleep and I went to do my other things. And lately I was very busy, guys. I don't have time to look at my trading. So you can see I just leave it there, and we make $21, which is very insane. Right there you can see Doge Futures. Again, if you want to know how to set up this bot, you can just go to my playlist. I'll put a link down below. You can watch everything. I show you step by step how to connect the bot with Binance using API binding. All right. So let me close this one. I'm going to show you inside my Binance here. You can see the position is running. So it's connected, guys. The bot and the phone, okay, and the Binance here is connected. So if I show you my history, you can see everything right here. Right, from the opening and the profit, guys. Okay, look at the let me show you the trade history. You can see the open and the close right there, and you can see the realized PNL, which is the profit, 0.5, 0.8, 0.1, 0.2, $2, 0.9. This one was crazy, $21. Okay, $21.5. Can we show you here? Let me show it. See, you can see there USDT, right? Doge, we already make $30 in just literally in a couple days, guys. Okay, let me show you. Okay, from October 20, let's say October 31st, right? From October 31st to 2nd of November. or maybe 1st November. Let me show you. Less than 2 days, guys. Okay, let's see if we do November, 1st of November here, $26. Okay, so it takes one day $26, the other day $4 profit. So that's how I do it, guys, if you are wondering. But of course, you know, some of you might need to learn, you know, how to read the chart. Okay, I cannot teach you how to read the chart, but I can give you some training. Again, this is not a fix for sure you're gonna make money, guys. Again, a big disclaimer right there, because some people who don't understand at all, they could get liquidated. Okay, you gotta be very careful with playing Binance Futures. But okay, if you know how to read the chart, if you are, you know, confident, and if you see, okay, this price is very oversold, and if you think the price is going to reverse down, or if it's very oversold right here, if you watch the news like Elon Musk just bought Twitter, you better long that shit. Okay, so hopefully this video gonna help you think a little bit on how you can trade Binance Futures using bot. Again, I'll put a link down below. You can watch how I run the bot. Okay,